You ever notice how Canadians and Cebuanos treat rice like it's two completely different things? Like to a Cebuano, rice is life. But to a Canadian, rice is like a suspicious foreign substance. I was at a potluck here in Canada, right? Feeling adventurous, I put a mountain of rice on my plate, because that's normal where I come from. Then I look over and this Canadian dude is there, real serious, with one spoonful of rice on his plate. Like he's doing a scientific experiment. I swear he looked at me like I was a contestant on Man vs. Food. He goes, "That's a lot of rice." I was like, "This is just the appetizer." Then he starts poking his rice with a fork like it might be alive. And he says, "I think this is enough carbs for a week." A week? Bro, that's not enough carbs to survive the walk back to the buffet table. I was so confused. I looked at his plate, then at mine, then back at his. And I was like, wait, is that rice or a decoration? Like, do Canadians treat rice the way we treat parsley? Just there for presentation? And then I had this horrifying thought. Maybe this is why Canadians eat so slow. Because they don't have rice to help them shovel the food. Cebuanos? We scoop, we mix, we devour. Efficiency! Canadians? They cut their food into tiny bites, analyzing each one like a crime scene. But the best part? After the meal, the Canadian guy, clearly still hungry, looks at my plate, points at my rice and goes, "Hey, you gonna finish that?" Bro, of course I'm gonna finish that. This is rice. We don't waste rice. Waste your dreams, waste your data, but never waste rice. Moral of the story. If you invite a Cebuano to a Canadian dinner, bring emergency rice. Otherwise, we're leaving that table still hungry, ready to rob a sushi restaurant just for survival.